All right, CRE enthusiasts, welcome to your latest SVN Insight Economic Update, your bi-weekly dose of what's really happening in the commercial real estate world. Grab your coffee because we're diving into the deep end of rate cuts, property prices, and some spicy projections. Let's get into it. First on the list, the Federal Reserve just hit us with a 50 basis point rate cut. Yep, after keeping inflation on a tight leash for over a year, they finally decided to loosen things up a bit. So, what does this mean for you? Think of it like this. Borrowing just got a little cheaper, but don't expect them to throw a party and flood the market with easy money. Powell himself said that this cut is a recalibration, not a full-on retreat. Translation? The economy's in pretty good shape. And for now, we're in the clear on that dreaded R word, recession. Moving on, JP Morgan's latest report shines a spotlight on some juicy opportunities for refinancing, especially for our multifamily operators out there. Here's the scoop. With rates dropping, lenders can finally ease up on those hefty reserves they've been sitting on. More liquidity in the system means more deals on the table. If you've been waiting to refinance, this might be the moment to start crunching numbers. Now, on to commercial property prices. After months of waiting, we're finally seeing a little lift. Prices climbed 0.6% in August, and every major sector had a reason to smile, even apartments, which hadn't seen a price increase since summer 2022. Let's talk future. The FOMC's latest projections are forecasting another 100 basis points of rate cuts by the end of the year. That's 2 more slices off the rate cake in November and December. Inflation? They've dialed down their expectations, and while we're not in for a growth spurt, the economy is expected to chug along steadily. But here is the kicker. What about you? Lower rates usually mean better deals for buyers and more cash flow for owners. But there's a wild card. Building materials. As interest rates fall, the dollar weakens, making imported materials more expensive. So if you're planning a new build or renovation, keep an eye on those cost projections. All right, before we wrap things up, here's one to watch. OpenAI is pushing the White House to invest in more data centers. Think huge facilities that power entire cities. Why should CRE care? Because data centers are one of the fastest growing sectors in real estate. A big move here could mean thousands of jobs, more demand for real estate, and some serious long-term growth for investors in the sector. And that's a wrap. You've just been updated on the latest trends shaping commercial real estate. Want more insights like this? Follow us here at SVN Insight. We'll keep you ahead of the curve no matter where the market goes. Until next time, stay smart, stay informed, and stay tuned to SVN Insight, your go-to for CRE news that matters.